So for this look, I'm just going to start out by priming my face just to reduce any pores and make sure my foundation goes on nice and smooth. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC liquid foundation and just get my skin tone a little bit more even. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a beauty blender just to press that right in and get it nice and flawless. Next, I'm going to conceal under my eyes and just make my under eyes just a little bit brighter, as well as highlight my nose and my chin and my forehead. Use the beauty blender again just to go ahead and blend that right out. Then I'm going to apply this really pretty mauve pink, just a little bit, because Barbie's cheeks aren't super pink, but there is a little bit of color there. And I've done my eyebrows on camera a zillion times, so I'm just going to speed right through this and not go into detail. You guys get the gist. After that, I'm going to apply a really light matte eyeshadow just as the base for my eyes to brighten everything up. And I'm going to go ahead and take this really pretty pink color and I'm going to apply that just a little bit above the brow bone, kind of where the crease is, and in the crease, but also a little bit above the crease. Now Barbie has this brown sort of line kind of defining her eyelid, so I'm going to go ahead and take a brown eyeshadow and draw that in right where my eyelid crease is. Then I'm going to take that same pink eyeshadow and I'm going to bring it all the way down to that brown line. Next, I'm just going to wing my eyeliner just a tiny bit. Her eyeliner isn't super winged, but you'll see we're going to kind of play around with the eye shape in a bit. Now I'm just taking this really light eye pencil and putting that along my waterline just to kind of make my eyes appear a little bit bigger and more doll-like. Then I'm taking a brown shadow right to the center of my under eye. And here you can see is where I'm playing around with the eye shape and I'm creating points on either end of my eye. And this is going to make my eyes appear larger and more doll-like and a little bit more slanted and shaped the way Barbie's are. I'm going to go back in with that white pencil and just go over my waterline one more time and take it out to the corners. Now I'm going to use a brown pencil and I'm going to start drawing on bottom eyelashes. Barbie's got these really big dramatic lashes, so we're going to go ahead and try to mimic those. And you see me do mascara a million times, so I'm just going to fast forward this part. Next, I'm taking a liquid eyeliner and I am drawing on really long and exaggerated eyelashes, just like the ones that Barbie has. Now this is a little tricky and it's okay if your eyelids aren't perfect because no one's really going to see that. Now I'm going to go ahead and make my lips a little bit more heart-shaped like Barbie's. And as you can see, the liquid eyeliner on my lids isn't perfect, but I was just more concerned about the tips of the lashes. And now I'm completing the look with a nice hot pink lipstick. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and thank you so much for watching.